What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Artie. We got another DIY going on today. In today's video we're going to be changing the fuel filter on my wife's 2021 EcoDiesel Jeep Wrangler. Alright, so the parts and tools we're going to be using I'll link in the description, but I'll also show you guys right now. So right here I got a microfiber towel, pair of gloves, the filter right here that you need. Unfortunately it's not a Mopar OEM filter right here, but I'll link a Mopar filter in the bottom. I have a 10mm socket on an extension and a 1 1/8 socket right here, a bucket and something to get underneath of the Jeep. So to access the filter you're going to be basically going right between the two doors, right underneath here from the driver's side. So once you come in from the driver's side, you're going to see right there, that's one 10mm bolt, another one, and then you got another one to the right. So basically this is what we're going to be taking apart. This is basically like a shield to protect if you're going off-roading, and underneath of this, that's a cap to remove the filter. So once the shield is removed, right there you guys can see that's the cap right there. But you also can notice right here that right there you have a little thing where you could connect the hose to drain, not to make a mess. So we're not going to be turning or connecting any type of little hose to drain. We're just going to be taking off the cap. So right there you got that 1 1/8 socket that we're going to be using to take this apart to get to the filter. Alright, so I cleaned up the old cap. I actually replaced the old O-ring with a new O-ring. I put a little bit of diesel around it, like you should. So this is the old filter. This side is gonna go up, and you see these grooves right here. If you look this way and your Jeep, you'll see that inside there's a special place for it to go in. So basically you need to install it lined up with the Jeep, but you'll take a look over there. I don't want to stick my camera because I don't want to get any excess of the stuff on the lens of the camera. So the new filter will go back in. I cleaned up the area over there from underneath, make sure everything's clean. This is lubricated. Time to put everything back together. So the cap is back on and I cleaned everything up over here, so it's super clean. Now it's time to put back that protective shield and then get this thing started. And so we're in the Jeep, and before we start it, we're just gonna basically press the ignition a few times. You're gonna hear the fuel pump going. You're basically gonna prime the system, get all the air out of it. A few times, just keep doing this, and then start it up. And it's gonna start up great. Engine runs good, no weird sounds. Alright guys, done with another quick DIY, and I actually saved a few $100 because our Jeep was in for service a few weeks ago and we were at around like 17,000 miles, and they said they were past due because apparently Jeep says you need to have this serviced at 15,000 miles, and it costs over $400 to do so. So saved $400, did a little DIY, wrenched on the Jeep myself, made this video. Hopefully it's helpful for some of you guys. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. And that's that guys, I'll catch you all on the next video. Peace.